Representing number in Year 4 is similar to Year 3 in that we still use physical objects. The difference is that this time for physical objects we use counters. These place value counters are colour-coded: blue for the thousands, purple for the hundreds, yellow for the tens, and pink for the ones. Each counter represents 1, so one blue counter is 1000, one pink counter is 1. We also use a place value grid to help make sense of number and to make representation easier to understand. So this is the place value grid. As you can see, we've got columns for thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. The colours stay consistent all the way through Year 4. So at the moment, we've got 2 ones. So 2 ones, that's got a value of 2. We've now got 3 tens in there as well. So we've got 3 tens, which is worth 30, and 2 ones, which is worth 2. So we have 32 represented. Putting it out in now, we've got 4,000. So we've got 4 counters in the thousands column. So that gives us 4,000, no hundred, 3 tens, and 2 ones. So 4,032. Finally, we put 100 in there. So we've got 100. So we've got 4,100, 3 tens, and 2 ones, or 4,132. The place value grid makes things easier to see, but it can be represented without it. Just a little bit trickier to spot straight away, but we want to be fluid with this. So we could lay it out like this. We've got 4 blue counters, so we've got 4,000s, we've got 100, 3 tens, which is worth 30, and 2 ones, which is worth 2. So this also represents 4,132. It's a lot trickier to spot straight away than on a place value grid, but it still is a representation of a number. And again, it's encouraging children to see numbers in different ways.